Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between would and could. Many learners confuse these two words, but I will explain them simply with examples. First, let's look at could. We use could for ability in the past. Example: I could swim when I was a child. We use could for possibility. Example: it could rain later. And we use could for polite requests. Example: could you open the door? Now, let's learn would. We use would for choices and decisions in imaginary situations. Example: if I had money, I would buy a car. We use would for polite offers. Example: would you like some tea? And we use would for habits in the past. Example: when we were children, we would play outside every evening. Let's compare would and could. If I had more time, I could learn guitar. Here, could shows ability or possibility. If I had more time, I would learn guitar. Here, would shows my decision or choice. So remember, could is ability or possibility, while would is choice, decision, or willingness. Both could and would can be used for polite requests, but there is a difference. Could you help me? I am asking if you are able to help. Would you help me? I am asking if you are willing to help. Both are polite, but the meaning is slightly different. Let's review. Could equals past ability, possibility, polite request. Would equals choice, willingness, offer, or past habit. That's the key difference. Thank you for watching this lesson on would and could. Keep practicing with your own sentences to make it easy to remember. See you in the next video.